Fruit. Teacher as infierno. Main aims. Students will be able to identify the names of fruit in English, to learn to listen in English and write the name of some fruit in English, to provide my students different ways of learning, depending on their outside ability. Subsidiary aims. 1. Pronounce the name of some fruit. 2. Try to write the names of some fruit in English. And 3. Difference the names of some fruit in English. There will be 3 learning corners, one for each child. In them there will be 3 different ways to learn depending on the way they learn. First corner. In one they will be give 2 songs about fruit in their names in English to make it easier to learn. Second corner. Another corner will have the printed fruits and the child must choose 3 and draw them on black sheets and try to say their names. And third corner. And in the last corner, the student will have to transcribe on their notebooks the names on the fruits that appear written on a sheet of paper. Thank you so much and bye.